Well, I'm in a rental, and to go from going from Terre Haute, Indiana, however you say that is Terrehaute, to Amarillo, Texas. Got 900 and something miles to go. Had to get this rental. Got all my stuff back there. Rolling, trying to get to the house, man. This right here is a whole lot faster than what it is in that truck, man. You get in these little bitty cars and roll. In that big truck, you're gonna do 80, 85, but it ain't the same. But in my big truck, man, I just feel more comfortable in my big truck than I do in this car. I feel like I'm in a little sardine can, man. That's bad. Shoot. But I'm gonna roll on, get on across here, and get home. I won't make it to see my grandson's game today, but I guarantee you, wherever he's playing at next Friday, I will be there. Love watching them kids, my grandkids play any sport. That doesn't matter what sport they're in, football, basketball, even running track. If I can be there, I'll be there. But anyway, I've had the past 4 days has been hectic. I was went down to Willis, Texas to pick up a load. I got loaded. Come to find out, the load was double booked. The other company was the one that was supposed to have been hauling the load, so they got the load. They unloaded the load off of my truck, put it on his truck. Then I had to sit there and wait to find me a load, and I couldn't find a load going anywhere in Ohio because I'm doing load out trailers instead of having my own trailer. I've been doing load out trailers, and it's been working pretty good for me. Yeah, they pay you like $1,800 to take a trailer somewhere, and then you can use the trailer for 7 days to haul loads with. Some of them don't pay that good. Some of them pay like $400, and that's because they know you're gonna load a load on it, and the area you in is like a hot spot for whatever trailer that is. Like that one trailer I had was a reefer van. And hell, I picked it up over in Dalhart, Texas, and delivered it in Warren, Ohio. But man, that thing, it brought in some money. It sure did. And I only used it for 3 loads, and that was it. And then I took it over and dropped it off in Warren, Ohio. And now I picked up this trailer over here from what was that? I forgot the name of that little town it was in. It really wasn't a town. It was at a Transport America yard way out in the middle of nowhere, and they were paying me $1,900 to take it from there to Fort Smith, Arkansas. I mean, not Fort Smith, to Little Rock. Drop it off in Little Rock, Arkansas. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy money out here just to haul a freaking trailer. And now you keep the trailer for 7 days. But my truck broke down after I picked that trailer up, and it's going to be ready next week. The transmission is under warranty, and they said it's stuck between the low gear and high gear. Some reason my splitter is not working, so they still have to go into the transmission to fix it. So hopefully they'll have it going in 2 weeks, because they got to take the transmission out Monday, send it off to Weller. If you got a Meritor transmission, it's a Weller transmission is what it is. And they don't let anybody work on their transmissions. As long as it's under warranty, they don't let anybody work on them. You have to take the transmission out, send it to them, and let their warranty people, mechanics, check it out to see if it was a defect or whatever. Because the guy said I could buy one, and once Weller decided it's a defective transmission, I'd get my money back on it. But I don't want to do that right now. I'll just wait and see what they say first, and then I'll buy a transmission. That's the best way to do it. So, because those things are not cheap. Being an owner operator, man, you learn a lot out here. Especially with when you have these breakdowns, boy, you learn a lot of things out here with these breakdowns. You learn how to work on them. If you can't fix them, you take them to the shop. Because believe me, I took that whole freaking plate off the top of that transmission and tried to move those forks the way I needed them to, but I didn't have a damn crowbar to move those forks. But hopefully that won't delete the warranty on that thing, because they say that Weller, once you work on those transmissions and Weller know that you worked on them, they tend to deplete the warranty on the transmission. So, but oh well. Hey, I tried to get that thing going, man. I didn't want to be stuck on the side of the road, but I got stuck on the side of the road anyway because I couldn't fix it. But hey, that's how it happens. Life of a truck, life of an owner operator. You out here and you own your own truck and you can get in there and get on them and work on them yourself. That's a good thing. It saves you a lot of money. Because before I told that man at the shop, at the Volvo shop, that it was a warranted transmission, shit, I know he was looking at dollar signs, man, because he had already told me, well, we can do this and do that to it. We have to order the parts for it once we get it in and check it out. And then when I told him that it's a Weller transmission and it's under warranty, he said, oh, well, let me explain this to you about Weller. He told me that they don't allow them to go in and work on anything in them. They got to take them out and send them off. So hopefully they'll get to it today or Monday, because he said if not today, it would be Monday, and they'll get it going. But alrighty, that's enough of me ranting around about my breakdown. I'll get back with you guys later on. I think I'm going to end this video right here because I'm about to start driving again. I'm pulling out right now. Holler at you later, Gators. Later.